crisis. Woman, W is for woman, mother of creation. O is for over. They might push us over, yet we shall overcome. M is the man. We receive, conceive, and deliver them all. A is the answer. We have the answers to remedy this human crisis. N is the now. Now is the time. Let us stay behind to be led constantly by the blind. Woman crisis, yes, woman crisis. All women rise, resist, and exit the crisis that exists on this journey. And don't take this. But tell them, say, Sean United, say, tell them, say, left Rasta locks alone. I'm going to take off the dirty with them. When Babylon walk up, pick up out of their garbage. And start preaching. And give them the on their head. Some of them taking the car and dump it in their head. And that's a garbage, and that's a nasty. Some of them are going to take off it. And plug chop, maggie chop, shit, and dog food, and then one that them go deal with. And left Rasta put their locks. Rasta wash out locks. Rasta washing locks and flashing. Rasta not on nasty side. Rasta take care of themselves. Rasta teach nasty people decency. And we got them carry it on their head. And that have a choncho. That have a life. And that everybody is going to fight against. I love the natural beauty. And hate them natural self. And they can't stand with natural beauty. Natural beauty are reality. Natural beauty official. And them say they're official. And a garbage them away on their head top. Everybody them have to walk with bag of garbage. Everybody them have to go up on the podium. They have to walk with some big old dirty with them. Because they shame on themselves. And then natural set beauty they feel love. And yet Babylon is a chin garbage and people die garbage man. See dumb there. A dumb China take out anything they find a dumb. They take care and give them to make clothes and make shoes and make hairdo. And then post their buy a senior and buy their hair. First time people buy a baby. Now them a buy a film China here. China garbage. You buy a bag of